Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa Bang Duwag Vlog starring Bibo. Dito ako ngayon sa isang Airbnb sa BGC. It's called Avant at the Fort. Check it out. Ganda ng apartment, no? And it has a beautiful view outside there, which I'll show you in a moment. Super tahimik. Tapos, yun, sarap ng aircon. Tapos may Netflix sila. It has a cute little kitchen here. Modern talaga siya. And of course, yung CR, may hot water. Diba? So, andito ako sa BGC ngayon dahil I'm hosting events. I have 2 events on in 2 days dito sa Manila. And after that, I head to Boracay. Oh, tingnan nyo. Diba? May McDo sa baba. Ayos ah. May Max's pa. Ganda ng view. Ayos. So, ayan. Duwag fam. Let's have a chat. Una sa lahat, if you do want to rent this apartment, it's on Airbnb. I'll put the link in the description below. So, ano ba ang pinaka-latest update sa buhay namin? Ano yung exciting news na to? We are going to build a house. Magpapatayo na kami ng bahay dun sa Leyte, dun sa lupa ni Shanta. Kinuusap na po namin ng engineer and he has drawn up some house plans. Ito po sila. Ito, may 3 bedroom, may 2 CR. The house is bigger than 100 square meters. It has a terrace. And the glass here is facing the rice fields and the mountains. So maganda yung view namin mula sa sala, sa kusina, at sa dining area. Simple lang siya na bahay, pero malaki din siya. So it's just what we need. It's perfect for Nitro. He's gonna love it. He's gonna have his own room finally, and we're gonna decorate it up. I told him I'd give him a boy cave, hindi siya man cave, boy cave, kasi nga boy lang siya. He's gonna have all his toys there. He's gonna have, you know, similar to the Ryan's World kids channel, parang ganun. Kasi yun yung gusto niya, napanood niya yung video na yan. Sabi niya, Daddy, I want a boy cave. Nitro has also done very well at school, as in he is, matalino talaga yung batang yan. He learns things very quickly, and then super behave siya sa eskwelahan niya. So, I'm a very proud dad. It's, nakakainis lang na lagi akong kailangan mag-travel, so I can't be with Nitro all the time. But at the same time, it's a blessing that I have a lot of these events to host, and we are able to build this house, which has been years in the making na. 2019 or 18 ata, binili ni Shanta yung lupang yan. It's 1 acre. Faces the mountains and the rice fields. Maganda yung location sa Carigara. So yes, that is the exciting news, and we are going to start building that house ASAP. And sana matatapos siya by this time next year. No, isang taon siguro will be the whole construction period. Sana. So by September next year, sana may bahay na kami doon sa Leyte. Sana all. Maraming nagtatanong bakit hindi masyadong nag-upload si Dwayne ng vlog. Kasi nga, busy ako sa hosting at inaayos ko din yung isa kong YouTube channel. Alam niyo, meron akong isang YouTube channel which is all about hobbying. Pero hindi siguro kayo makaka-relate doon. So, kaya wag niyong puntahan. Pero link is in the description din. Doon sa YouTube channel ni Nitro, we're starting to upload Roblox videos dahil mahilig si Nitro maglaro ng Roblox. So, kung gusto niyo panoorin ng channel ni Nitro, ayan, alam niyo na, Nitro Kids. Yan ang channel niya. Search nyo lang sa YouTube, Nitro Kids. Link for his channel is also in the description. Okay, Duwag fam, yan lang ang ating video today. Konting update. We are very excited to finally have our own house. Yung amin lang. Kasi buong buhay namin, wala kaming bahay na talagang amin. Ano na si Shante? 40 years old na siya. Can you believe it? 40 years old na siya, pero baby face pa rin. Hindi siya mukhang 40, no? Parang ako yung mas matanda sa kanya. Kahit 6 years ang agwat namin. She's older than me by 6 years, but she looks younger than me by 6 years. Salamat sa panonood tong video na to, Duwag fam, and we will see you sa sunod na video natin. Bye for now.
You're beautiful, shine like a star.